If you want to refund a game on GOG, the process is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to request a refund from GOG step by step, so you can do it quickly and without confusion. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the homepage loads, scroll down until you find the Contact Us option. This is where GOG directs you for support-related requests, including refund help. Click Contact Us to continue. On the support page, you'll see different help categories. From here, click on Orders and Payments. Since refunds are tied to purchases, this is the correct section to use when you need help with a game order or payment issue. Next, click Contact Us again inside the Orders and Payments category. This takes you deeper into the support flow and helps you reach the correct refund request form instead of a general support page. Now look for the option that says Looking for our refund form and click it. This is the direct path to GOG refund request process. Once you open it, you'll be taken to your order settings where you can choose the purchase game you want refunded. At this point, select the game you purchased. Make sure you pick the correct title, especially if you've bought more than one game recently. After selecting the game, click Request Refund. This opens the refund form for that specific purchase. Now, you'll need to submit the form. Carefully review any details on the page before sending it in and make sure your request is clear and accurate. If there's a comment box or explanation field, you can briefly explain why you're requesting the refund. Once everything looks good, submit the form to finish the process. After that, GOG will review your request and respond according to their refund policy. Refund approval can depend on factors like the purchase date and playtime, so it's always a good idea to check their current refund terms if you're unsure whether your game qualifies. And that's it. You've now learned how to refund from GOG. It only takes a few steps once you know the support path to follow. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.